You are welcome. This video, I'm going to show you how our filters is done. This is the mesh filter that filters the insoluble particles. It is in this big container, the filter container, where it will trap the insoluble particles. So here, this is how we make it, as you can see. Now, just watch out. You see, this way. Then, then, um, I'll use a plier to screw it. I use a plier to screw it so that it will be strong. Now, this is the first filter mesh, and this is the second one. I've already done that one. That one is on top there. So after first filter, it will come here for second filtration to be done before the water falls back into the pond. So by the time the water passes through the two filters, the first and the second, the water will be clean and all the insoluble particles will be trapped down. Then the water will get back into the pond and it continues that way. Now, if you want to be sure whether your filter or your filtration system is very effective, when you come in the morning or every day to clean and you open this container, this one, the mesh one, if you see the amount of feces or leftover feed or general insoluble particles that will be trapped by this, that's when you will understand that this is very effective. Like today, I visited a farm where I made this for them some time back. And usually that's how I do. When I provide you service, like I'll give you filtration system or a full farm setup, I don't just leave you there. Once a while, I check out to see how you are doing with your farm, and if there are other things that I should show you or teach you then. Now he was confessing to me how it traps the feces when he comes in the morning. Then a lot of feces will be there. Then he will flush out. The only challenge he mentioned is that because you always flush the water, the feces will water out every day. Once a while, you will need to top up the water in the pond, and that is normal. When you come, this container, probably the water will be here and the filter is down. This filter is down, the water will be here. So you have to flush that water out with water. You have to flush the feces out with water. So as you're flushing it out, in a week or two, you see that the pond water will also go down. So what you only do is to top it up, which is normal. Is it not far better than changing the water entirely? Yes, it's far better, and it's also good for the fish. So that was his only lamentation. And I told him that, oh, that one is normal. So now I am just telling you this so that you will know in advance. So that is how we make it. This video is not covering the entire thing, how to make it. In fact, hey, it's a long process. So because of that, I have made a DIY, that is do it yourself filtration and aeration system, where you can enroll. I made a complete course which is about 15 videos. Some are short, some are longer. When you enroll, you will learn everything yourself, even how to source the materials. And then you can make it yourself and you're good to always go. If you are wondering how to get the course, the link of the course is in the description. You can check it out on Gumroad. And if you're also wondering how to get it, you can also check. Just click on the bio. You will see links. Then you see our store link. Then you can check it out. And if you don't want to stress yourself, our store link is store.fakoakwapolis.com. Once you type this in your browser, you will see all our resources, and that includes our DIY filtration and irrigation system. Learn, and that's what I encourage, because even though I do this for farmers at a charge, but if you learn it yourself, look at the numerous advantages. Anytime there's a breakdown, you can repair. Anytime you put up a new farm, you can fix it. But if I come and charge you and do it for you, anytime there's a problem, when I'm coming, oh, I'm not coming for free again. But if you learn it yourself, it will help you save a lot of costs. And you keep your knowledge to yourself. You might think that, oh, the cost is expensive, but it is not, because it's worth it. You get the benefits more than anything. So please enroll in that course. Now let's continue. This is so important for people who are having water scarcity in their areas. Yes. And also, if you have enough water, but you want to save a lot of time, if you have enough water, but you want to save a lot of time for always changing the water, which is tedious, then considering doing this is good. Now, if you're in need of this and you don't even want to enroll, or you haven't enrolled in the course, just contact us wherever you are, any part of Ghana. We are ready to serve you. We also do full farm installations. If you want a fish farm, just give a call, and within 2 or 3 days, everything will be ready. We'll install the farm for you with the fish and everything. We have all these resources in the link. Check them out in the description. Yes. Apart from this, we do general fish farming consultancy. Always available, always assist you. And one thing I also notice, a lot of beginners, they begin their fish farm without getting adequate knowledge about that. And they end up losing all their farms, all their fish. So we don't only come and install the farm for you and go. We provide you with mentorship. We train you, we mentor you, we show you the way, how to detect when there's a problem, and how to provide solutions. With that, you can enjoy a sustainable fish farming. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, please do so, because all we do in this channel is share fish farming tips based on our experience and research. So what are you waiting for? And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and let's reach more customers so that they can also grow their fish. Let us reach more fish farmers so they can also grow their fish. Now this is it. We have our 2 filters ready. One is first and this is second. At least by the time the pond water passes through all this, it must have trapped all the feces and insoluble particles, leaving clean water for you. And please bear in mind, those who have had it already and those who are yet to have it, you need to provide daily cleanup. If you miss a day or two, no problem. But if you don't clean this container, this mesh, it will get to a time that the fan will be smelling and it will not floating properly. So always clean it. And the cleaning is not tedious. It's very simple. That's why I prefer using this. If you watch, some use charcoal, stones, and those stuffs. Yeah, they are effective too. However, when it comes to cleaning them, that's when you will understand that it is not easy. To clean the stones or the charcoals, to remove the waste from them, is never easy. But this one, it's very easy. You remove it, splash water on it, and you're good to go. And that's why I love this. And more importantly, it is very effective. If you enroll in the course, you are not only learning filtration, you are also learning aeration, how to make aeration system. So there are two in one. So the RAS, this type of aquatic system, there are two in one, filtration and aeration system, and that's the service that we provide. And we also provide fish farming consultancy. We also set up farms. Don't forget to contact us. And my name is Abdulaziz Issa. This is Falco Aquaponics. Thank you.